showed the toilet cut. That is where you're coming around the flange of the toilet. What we showed here was that you could kind of rough it in. Maybe cut a few pieces in with the larger saw, and then with the grinder fitted with the dry blade, we can go in and just kind of rough it in, and because it's covered by the toilet, it doesn't have to be perfect. And that's an example I wanted to use it in situations where it's going to be covered up by sheetrock or by base or trim or anything, or a toilet. Then you can rough it in, and that's just fine. And lastly, we had the four-sided cut, which is a very difficult cut to make. We did not use the wet saw. We used the grinder with the ceramic tile blade on it, and we cut it. We went very carefully, scored it on the front where the marks were, then came around to the back and made our deeper cuts. That way we can cut into the tile a little bit, but on the front side it doesn't show. And this is a rough cut because it is going to be covered, but we could trim that up and make that look really nice if it was going to be grouted in and shown. So I hope you've enjoyed our presentation and that you've learned something about cutting ceramic tile. Something that anybody can do if they have the proper tools and the proper care and the time to do it. Thank you.